Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking class 2 subject science. Class 2 subject science. Today topic what we are going to discuss is lesson 1 about me. Lesson 1 about me. In this chapter we have learned sense organs and also the parts which are inside our body. Yes children, sense organs. How many sense organs we have? 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These 5 sense organs help us to feel things around us. Like eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear, nose help us to smell, tongue help us to taste, skin help us to feel. And also the internal parts, they are known as organs like heart, lungs. These are present inside our body. They are not able to see. They are not present outside. They are placed inside our body. Now where is brain? Brain is inside our body. Heart is inside. Lungs are inside. Stomach is inside. So these all parts are inside our body. We can't see them. So in this chapter we have already learned sense organs and also parts, internal parts what are present in our body. Now we will move to textbook exercise part. Take your textbook page number 10. Open your textbook page number 10. This is our science textbook children. Open your science textbook page number 10. Now first bit fill in the blanks. I have written fill in the blanks, first bit and third bit on the board. First bit and third bit is given on the board. I will explain to you on the board. After I finish writing on the board, you will copy the answers neatly in your textbook. First bit, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. We taste food with our. What you used to taste, children? How you get the taste? Yes, tongue. We taste food with our tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. So you will write tongue. Say tongue spelling. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. Second one, the organ that helps us to see is the. Which organ helps us to see? Eyes or ears? Yes, eyes help us to see. Right, eye. E-Y-E-I. Eye helps us to see. Next, C1. Dash is an organ found inside the body. We have organs like heart, brain, stomach, lungs. They are present inside our body. Here 2 options are given. Say me which is the correct answer for this. C1. Hand or heart? You all can see my hand? Yes. You all can see your hand. But you can see your heart? No. Why we can't see our heart? Because it is inside our body. We can't see the parts of organs which are present inside our body. You all can see hand but we can't see heart. So heart is an organ found inside the body. Say heart spelling. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Say once again. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Fourth one. Dash helps to digest the food we eat. Whatever we eat that goes inside the stomach. Stomach helps us to digest food. So, S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Stomach helps us to digest food. Come on, once again we will read. Repeat after me. We taste food with our tongue. Say children, we taste food with our tongue. When I am reading, you put your finger in your textbook and read along with me. When I am reading on the board, you put your finger in your textbook and read. We taste food with our tongue. Second one, put your finger, B1. The organ that helps us to see is the eye. With eyes we can see. Third one, heart is an organ found inside the body. Heart is an organ that is found inside our body. Fourth one, stomach helps to digest the food we eat. Stomach helps to digest the food we eat. Now B-bit children. Now see your textbook B-bit. You will write this B-bit along with me. You will write this B-bit along with me. True or false? True means correct sentence. If the sentence is correct, then we will write true. If the sentence is given wrong, false. Yes children, if the sentence is correct, you will write T in the box. If the sentence is wrong sentence, then we will write F in the box. Write T for true and F for false. This all will do along with me. Eyes help us to walk. Eyes help us to walk. We use legs for walking, eyes for seeing. So is this correct sentence? No. So write F in the first box. Write F. Everybody come on, write. Write F in the box. See here, capital F is given. In the same way you should write in the red box capital F. Then go to the second one. We have two lungs that lies inside the chest. Is it correct? I have already explained to you how many lungs we have. We have two lungs that is placed inside our chest. So, is it correct? Yes, the statement is correct. The sentence is correct. So, what you will write? Capital T in the box. Write second one, capital T in the box. Second one, once again I will read. We have two lungs that lie inside the chest. How many lungs we have? Two. See here, you can see in this picture, page number 9. Here you can see how many lungs are there? Two. So we have two lungs that are present inside our chest. So second one is T. Write capital T in the second box. Now move to third one. Doctors use a thermometer to listen to our heartbeat. To listen to our heartbeat when you are not well, when you go to doctor, what doctor will have in? He will take a stethoscope and check our heartbeat. Thermometer is used to check our temperature. So the statement is correct here. Sentence, doctors use a thermometer to listen. No, doctors use stethoscope to listen our heartbeat. Thermometer is used to check our temperature. So in the third box you will write F. Wrong sentence, no children. So write F in the third box. Write capital F in the third box. Now move on to the fourth one. To take care of our body, we need to exercise and rest. Is it correct? We want to keep our body healthy and fit. What we should do? We should do exercise. We should have proper sleep. We should drink lot of water. We should do exercise regularly. So what they are saying, to be fit and healthy, we should do exercise regularly. Is it correct? Yes. The fourth statement is correct. So write T in the fourth box. What you will write? Write capital T in the fourth box. Did you complete children this B bit along with me? Did you finish the second bit with me? Now move on to the third one. See the board? I help you to, who am I? You should say now which body part is this. I help you to remember. Which body part will help you to remember? When you are going to write your exam, what will help you to remember and write your exam? Well, yes, brain helps us to think and remember. Whatever you read, that goes into your brain and brain will remember. So, I help you to remember. What we should write here? Brain. Say brain spelling. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Say children once again. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Second one. I fill up with air when you breathe. What we use for breathing? Yes, we use lungs to breathe. So, lungs are filled with air. When you breathe in, when you breathe air inside, air is filled in the lungs. I fill up with air when you breathe. Air is filled in the lungs when you breathe. So, I fill up with air when you breathe in. Which body part is that? Lungs. So, come on, write here. L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. Next one. I pump blood to all parts of your body. Which body part will pump blood to all parts of our body? Heart. Heart helps to pump blood to, heart will pass blood to all the parts of our body. Heart will clean our blood. So I pump blood. Which body part will pump blood? Heart will pump blood to all parts of our body. From heart we get blood to all the parts of our body. So here we will write H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Say once again. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Now move to fourth one. I help you to digest food. Which organ will help you to digest food, children? Yes, whatever you eat, where it goes inside our stomach, and stomach will help in digesting the food. So I help you to digest food. Which organ will help you to digest food? Stomach. Say stomach spelling. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Say once again. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Shall we read all these sentences once again? Read. I help you to remember. Which organ help us to remember? Brain. I help you to remember. Remember spelling, children. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Remember. Brain. I fill up with air when you breathe in. Which organ help us to breathe? Lungs. Lungs help us to breathe. So L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. Third one. I pump blood to all parts of our body. Which organ will pump blood? Heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. I help you to digest food. Which organ will help you to digest food? Stomach. So, read all these sentences. Copy these all sentences neatly in your textbook, children. Your handwriting should be neat and clear. Sharp your pencils. Use eraser and write it very neatly in your textbook. 3 bits we have completed now. First bit, it's on the board. Copy the answers. Second bit, I have explained to you. Third also, it's on the board. Copy these 3 bits very neatly. Now, open your textbook, page number 9. Open your textbook, page number 9. Here in the box given, remember box, read this all. This is very important, children, to take care of your organs. Now you have eyes. No, we all have 2 eyes. How we should take care of our eyes? We should wash our eyes with cool water. Don't put your hands and go on squeezing. You should use water for cleaning your eyes. And also when you are reading, don't read in dull light. Light should be bright when you are reading. Your eyes will be affected if you read in dull light. And third one, if don't put anything, pencil, eraser, anything in your ears. If you want to clean your ears, take earbud and clean your ears. Fourth one, how we should clean our tongue? Yes, we have tongue cleaner. Every morning when you brush your teeth, take a tongue cleaner and clean your tongue. So read this. Remember points also, children. You should read the lesson 2 times. How many times you will read the lesson? 2 times. And also whatever exercises are given here. 1, 2, 3. These all exercises you should complete in your textbook. In classwork you will write adverbs. In classwork you will write new terms. Okay, children. Now these 3 bits you write in your textbook. Now see fourth part, children. Here fourth part, 2 questions are given to you. Yes, A and B. Already key books are given to you, children. I will explain these questions. From the key book you can copy the answers in your textbook. Already key books IDs are given to you. From that you can copy the answers in this textbook. I will read out the questions now. You should answer to me. Which fourth bit, first question, fourth bit, first question. Which organ help you to think? Which organ will help you to think, children? Yes, brain help us to think and remember. Brain help us to think and remember. Where is that brain present now? Brain is present inside our head. Where is brain present? Brain is present inside our head. First answer is which organ will help you to think? Brain. Where it is present? It is present inside our brain. Second question, children. Write 2 ways in which you can take care of your body. You can write any 2 ways in which you can take care of your body. How we can take care of body? By keeping our body clean, like taking bath every day. Yes. And doing exercises, eating healthy food, or drinking lot of water, taking proper sleep. Don't be on mobiles for long time. Don't play. Don't watch TV for long time. By doing all this, your health will be good and healthy. You will be fit and healthy. So any 2 points you can write. 2 lines are given, children, here. Any 2 points you can write in these 2 dashes. Is it clear? So complete your textbook, classwork, adverbs, and this textbook. This is only your homework, children. These all 1, 2, Third bit, third, first, second, third I have already told you. Fourth one you can copy from your key book. Is it clear? So complete this paper very neatly with good handwriting.